Hey man, listen up. I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. You know that new Depeche Mode album? It sucks. You know what? That new Cure album? It sucks. That new Happy Mondays album? I don't know if there is one, but if there is, it sucks. I can say this, cause I know, cause I'm a Doors fan. And you know, if you want to be a Doors fan, you know what? You might already be one, and you don't even know it. You know? Sort of like being gay. You're walking around, you know something's up, you just don't know what it is yet. You see, Doors fans aren't made, they're born. I bet right now, in Africa, there's some guy madly beating on a drum. He's one. Or an old lady on a bus, sucking humbugs. She's a rider on the storm, and she don't even know it. I do, because I'm a Doors fan. And if you want to be a Doors fan, don't just go buy a greatest hits album either. Greatest hits albums are for housewives and little girls. If you want to be a Doors fan, you gotta do it right. It's very scientific. You gotta buy Waiting for the Sun. It's their third album, but really, it's their first. We call it the departure point. Okay, quick quiz. Who's playing bass? No bass. That's right. The Doors had no bass. You see, the Gypsies had no homes. Don't let that scare you. Let that free you. Let that liberate you. Because when you're free-flying with the Doors, man, you don't need no safety net. If you just scream, "Vive la Doors!" loud enough for your landlord to start thumping on the wall, then you might, in fact, be a Doors fan. There's one way to know for absolute sure. Get an 8-track tape of LA Woman, there's only a few in existence, and steal a car. Even if you own one, steal a car, get in that car, play the tape, full blast, and drive west. When the tape ends, get out and go to the nearest bar and start to play pool, or pinball, or possibly even foosball, and wait to get into a fight. Afterwards, get back in that car and drive it till it runs out of gas. Then, torch it. And if as you're standing there, watching those flames, if you can still hear the Doors sound, then my friend, you will have become a Doors fan. You want to know how I know? You want to know who told me? Well, last year, Jim fucking Morrison told me that too. He came to me, 'cause I'm a Doors fan.